Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix there are currently no power options available in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, reset your Windows Explorer. For that, right click on Start menu, click on Task Manager, then search here Windows Explorer. You can see here Windows Explorer, right click on this, click on Restart. After restart, close this window, go to the Register Editor, right click on Register Editor, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes to apply, double click on HKUI local machine, then double click on software, double click on Microsoft, in this double click on Windows. You can see here Windows, double click on this, then double click on current version, then select here policies. You can see here policies, double click on this, then double click on Explorer, then right click on No Close, click on Modify. If your value data 0, you should type here 1, then press on OK. After doing this, close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, then click on S to apply. Type here one command, power cfg space minus restore default schemes, then hit enter. After doing this, close this window, then restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.